This is the Winston Colorize die set from Sizzix. It's a collection of 16 different dies that are intended to die cut different pieces of cardstock and layer up to create both Winston the snowman as well as the broom that he holds. A lot of the smaller dies are perfect for die cutting cardstock scraps, and he's really easy to layer up because when you die cut him, the dies will leave indent marks or kind of score lines where the next layer goes on top of it. So it's very easy. There's very little guesswork as to which layer goes on what. And because the die cut pieces layer on top of each other, you get a lot of dimension to them. I do like to add stickles for a little bit of sparkle, as well as glossy accents for some shine to some different pieces. For the eyes and the little button stone things on the front of him, I will typically put my glue right on the base and then use a pair of tweezers to put those die cuts in place, just to make sure that I can place them easily. And that way I can see exactly where those tiny little pieces are going. Because all those little pieces are different dies, you can actually customize the colors to whatever project it is that you're working on and really make him stand out and unique. And because his hat is a separate piece, I had fun here on this creation making a hat that spun as if it got blown off in the wind. Winston is such a cute character, and the colorized dies are so versatile and can really be customized to exactly the look that you're going for.